Hey guys, welcome to another Netgear Nighthawk MR1100 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. There are actually two ways to do it. The first way would be to remove the back paneling on the device by just sliding it up. And then down where this memory card is at, you'll see a little reset area with a hole. All you need to do is get a paper clip and then press that button that's in that hole for 10 seconds until the device resets. The other method for resetting the MR1100 is going to be through the web browser, by logging in as the administrator, then pressing the menu button at the top right, going to settings, then going down to administration, and then factory reset. Once you're ready to reset, just go reset defaults right here, and then select yes. So as you can see, it says please do not power off because it's resetting right now. So this should only take a couple minutes, and then the router will power cycle once it's completed. So it took it about 2 minutes to reset, and now it's just asking us to go through the normal setup process. So that's how you reset your Netgear Nighthawk MR1100. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more MR1100 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. I have a playlist for all of my tutorial videos for this device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.